Welcome to the Dawley Diggers Christmas special. We've got Mark and we got Dan and me, John. Brand new fields. Let's see what we can find. See what we got here. Quite good mid-tone. So whatever it is in this lump. And like a little buckle. Mark guesses lead or a coin, he says.
Lead, straight off. Yeah, blob of lead.
Decent signal. I got myself a nice little buckle. And a worm. And yet another buckle. Shows this field's been worked, but nothing good yet. And Mark's got probably the best find of the day, or the only find of the day so far. It's round. Let's see what it is.
My guesses are Vicky Penny today. Halfpenny, sorry. If I can see anything on it.
Yeah, it's definitely halfpenny size.
It's been on the ground a while.
Oh, we'll clean it up and see if we can post a picture. Dan's found the best find of the day. What we got? That looks pretty.
It's got some detail to it as well. Can't really make it out. Definitely needs a good clean, but we'll clean it up in the puddle. Yeah. Find some water and looks like a little medallion, commemorative medallion.
We'll clean it up and post a photo.
Yeah.
It's quite amazing, really. I mean, we had all of that field. That's the only thing we found. Can't win them all, I suppose. Vicky Halfpenny they've just found. Very good. Starting to come up now. What you got there, Mark?
I think it's a coin. Well, I expect it is a coin. Douglas Clydesdale, and there it is nicely in the top.
Oh, very good.
With its imprint.
Oh, that's nice. Another halfpenny.
Yep. Nice green one.
Another Vicky.
It looks like it. No, it's not. It's a George V. Yep.
Very nice. George V halfpenny. It's found a nice little musket ball. And I may have my first coin. Not sure yet. Or is it going to be a bit of rubbish? Oh, no, it's another buckle. Buckle! My fourth one of the day. Mark's got a surface fine coin by the look of it. Right there. Small. Oh, is it button?
Oh, bloody hell. Oh well.
It's close, it was round. Button. Not sure what this is, but it's got some markings on it. Best find of the day, and it's gold. Take a look at this. See? No, it's gold, it says so right there. Fantastic. Taken me the best part of 5 hours and a very deep hole, but I found a coin. Look at that, that's a height of a pro pointer depth. I think it's a Georgian. Just about make out a bust there. Oh, first coin of the day. It's like my second coin of the day. Too far gone to get any detail, but about the size of a farthing. Started off slow today, but late evening's proving a winner. Another coin. Looks like a George III halfpenny to me, first look. But hat trick of coins. Bit of excitement over here, and I've heard the G word.
It's a bit crossed like, but it definitely looks like it could be.
Look, I've got to get it. I can't believe you've gone. If that's the second half, that's where I've been. Where did you find? Right, that's your detector
right
there. And see that point there where I'm digging? That's where I found it. There's a hole just to the right of that where I found it, and that's near enough. That's pretty much in a line.
Mark's found some gold previous to this, so we reckon this might be part of it as well.
This is a good day.
Sweet.
Where is it?
Definitely worth missing lunch for, isn't it?